What is a mood tracker and why is it important to recovery? Hey thinkers, I'm Jess, a licensed therapist specializing in both mental health and addiction. A mood tracker is a tool used to monitor and record one's emotions and overall emotional state over a period of time. It's typically done through a daily or regular log, where individuals note their feelings, thoughts, and any significant events or triggers that may influence their moods. Some mood trackers use a numerical scale or a color-coded system to represent the intensity of emotions. In context of alcohol recovery, a mood tracker becomes an essential tool for several reasons. Increased self-awareness. Keeping track of moods allows for individuals to become aware of their emotional patterns and fluctuations. Recognizing emotional triggers and how they relate to alcohol cravings can help individuals identify potential risk and develop healthier coping strategies. Identification of high-risk situations. Certain moods or emotional states may make a person more vulnerable to relapse. By using a mood tracker, individuals in alcohol recovery can identify patterns where they might be more prone to engaging in risky behaviors and take proactive steps to avoid such situations. Measurement of progress. Recovery from alcohol addiction is a journey of ups and downs. A mood tracker helps individuals see their progress over time. Witnessing positive changes in moods and emotional stability can be encouraging and reinforce their commitment to recovery. Facilitation of communication. If someone is undergoing formal treatment for alcohol recovery, sharing their mood tracker with their therapist can facilitate more targeted and personalized interventions. It provides valuable insights into the individual's emotional challenges and progress. Prevention of relapse. A mood tracker can act as early warning sign for potential relapse. If negative emotions start to dominate and persist, it can indicate that that person may be struggling and in need of additional support or resources. Emotional regulation. Regular tracking of emotions can help individuals learn to recognize and manage their emotions more effectively. This skill is critical for avoiding impulsive decisions, such as turning to alcohol to numb or escape uncomfortable feelings. Accountability and motivation. The act of recording one's emotions can foster a sense of accountability to oneself and the recovery process. It can also serve as a source of motivation, reminding individuals the reason they chose to recover and the progress that they have made thus far. If you'd like to learn more about mood tracking or just more information on recovery as a process, I've created this very in-depth video that goes into a lot of concepts of recovery. Click here to watch more. And as always, stay positive and take care of yourself.